Good evening, everyone. My name is Jaime, and today I want to share a little about my daily life. I am police officer and a law student. My hobbies demanding, but is also very rewarding. My family's support is essential because my father advice and my mother can always give me strength. I usually wake up early, around 6 o'clock. I always drink a glass of water and think I have breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and cheese. And sometimes I prepare some fruit juice. Uh, there is always coffee in my kitchen, but I don't drink much coffee because I prefer lemonade. During the week, I go to work every morning. Of I often read repost, talk to colleagues, and help people in different situations. After work, in attend my live classes, my professors' explanation are clear, and my classmates' questions are interesting. I study uh, every day and might read many books in my free time. I love listening, do music and watching TV. I also like eating pizza with my family. We usually go to a restaurant near our house. There are many table and there is always good service. I enjoy tallarines verdes, but I have eaten too much fast food. I frequently practice English pronunciation because I want to improve my public speaking. I like learning languages. I and I love sharing ideas with friends. Um, these activities are part of my routine, and they help my feel balance.